Hello everyone, a beautiful good afternoon to you all. I hope you all are enjoying your life with good health and prosperity. Me too. So, it's spring season is coming and it's a festive occasion. Festivals are coming very soon, isn't it? I think everywhere there is endless happiness in your life and you all are enjoying. Me too. So, this is Miss Sumati, and after a long span of time, I am in front of you with my new video. And today, my video is for those sweet moms who are making their kids to send convent school. Isn't it, my dear sweet moms? Before sending your kids to school, teach them something basic in English so it will help them to survive in a convent school. Isn't it? Don't think and don't bother you belongs to which language. English is a different language. It's an interesting language. So if you are trying to teach your kids English, they will be very happy and learn it from you because they are spending their more of time with you. That's why you can easily teach them English. It's a new language for them, but it will be easy for them if you are doing it while they are playing. See, it's very easy. Just follow me what I am doing in front of you. See, when you are cooking at home or when you are dressing yourself or whatever work you are doing, your kids are coming and they are trying to follow you whatever you are doing, isn't it? So at that time you talk with them like a game. Okay, you just play a game with them. You will enjoy and they will also enjoy it with you. See, if you are in kitchen and your kids are coming, then it will be very easy for you to teach them kitchen vocabularies, isn't it? So you have some vegetables, some spices, some kitchen objects. Okay, so this time I have some objects what we are using in our day-to-day life. Okay, so see, this is what? This is a green chili, this is a red chili. You show it to your kids and tell, this is green chili, this is red chili, this is raw chili, this is ripen chili. Okay, raw and ripe, raw and ripe. It's ripen means already it's ripen, that's why we are telling it ripen chili. When a green chili is ripen, it looks like this. Okay, we are telling it dry chili also, isn't it? So your kids will know that it is a chili. Before it, maybe you are telling it's mirchi, you are telling, but from today you don't tell in front of your kids that it is a mirchi. Okay, you tell them it's chili. Okay, they will understand it's chili and they will remember it for their entire life. And this is what? This is a tomato. It is also ripened tomato. It is also ripened tomato. It is half raw and half ripened. Do you know? I have brought it from where? I have plucked it from my plant. In my kitchen garden, I have planted lot of plants and nowadays I am harvesting them. Harvesting means, do you understand? When vegetables or spices getting ready to use, at the time it is called harvesting. You are pulling them, plucking them from plant. It means you are harvesting. Do you know what is it? It is a mustard. It is bunch of mustard. Okay, I have planted some mustard plants also and beautiful mustards are coming. See, I will show you mustard leaves also. I have brought it. Where is it? Yeah. See, this is what? This is a mustard leaf. Are you watching it properly? And this is raw mustard. When it will ripe, we will use it. And this is what, do you know? These are bunch of mustard flowers. Are you getting me? You have to show it to your kids and tell them that it is mustard flower. Okay, and are you watching? What is it? this is a bunch of ashok flower. In my garden I have planted a big ashok tree, and these are its leaves also. Why I am telling it bunch of flowers? Because it's not one flower, it is more than one flowers. That's why I am telling bunch of flowers. Okay. Then what is it? Are you getting? This is a hibiscus flower, and you have to tell your kids one hibiscus flower, more than one hibiscus flower. Okay. And I will show you bud. It is hibiscus bud. It's bud, it's flower. Okay. And this is hibiscus leaf. Are you getting it? You have to teach your kids like this. And what is it? It is a tomato. And tomato is what? It is a vegetable. We are using it to cook. We are using it to make salad, isn't it? You can't say this is a fruit, isn't it? And this is what? This is flat beans. I have planted flat beans in my backyard. And this is what? This is called drumstick. I have brought it today from market nearby my town. It's a big market. I have brought it from that market. It is a vegetable. Okay. And what is it? It is ginger. You have to introduce your kids that it is ginger. Okay. Never say it is adrak. You have to say ginger. And it is what? It is not fruit, not vegetable. It is a spice. Okay. Then it is what? It is what? Garlic. Okay. And it is also a spice. You can't say garlic is a vegetable or fruit. It is a spice. It is also spice. Okay. Then it is what? Lemon. It is vegetable or fruit, I don't know. We are using it. Sometimes we are making it what? Pickle also, na? By using this lemon. And this is what? Onion. It is also a spice. Okay. Then yes. This is what? These are some flowers. It is jasmine flower. Its color is what? White. You have to tell your kids that it is jasmine flower and its color is white. You have to tell that it is hibiscus flower and its color is red. It is leaf. Which leaf is it? It is hibiscus leaf and its color is green. If you are speaking like this in front of your kids, they will enjoy it. Very interesting. In very interesting way you can teach your kids. It will be very easy for them to accept. Okay. And something related to their study. It is what? It is a pen and it is also pen. It is, its color is black, its color is red. Okay. It is a pencil. You have to introduce them. And this is what? It is cauliflower. It is not fruit. It is a vegetable. We are using it as vegetable. Okay. I think you have understood. And something new. What is it? Then I'll tell you. This is what? This is a scissor. You have to tell your kids that this is a scissor. And this is what? Comb. We are using it to decorate our hair. And scissor we are using to cut something. Okay. And this is what? This is bindi. Today I have brought it from market. Its rate is what? 10 rupees only. And this is what? This is nail polish. I have brought it also from market. And this is what? It is hair oil. You have to introduce it to your kids like this. Okay. And this is what? It's body lotion. We are using body lotion to take skin. And it is what? Mask. When corona started, we all are using mask from there. And when I am going out from my house, always I am using this mask. And I have made this mask. It is handmade and I have made it by myself. I love to make mask. Okay. I have asthma, that's why when I am going out and dust is coming, I feel suffocated. That's why always I am using mask when I am going out. So many things. and it is what? It is an adhesive to patch something. I am using it. You understood? And something more. Yeah. And this is what? This is a book. This is a copy. You have to tell your kids that it is book and it is copy. Never tell in front of them that kitab and copy. Kitab and क्या बोलते हैं इसको हिंदी में? I don't know. Copy. We are speaking copy in English. In our language we are speaking it khata. In Hindi what it is telling I don't know. Okay. And it is what? It is perfume. I think if people are enjoying what I have told, so you speak like this in front of your kids. You enjoy with them. They will also enjoy with you. You will spend a quality time with your kids, and it will make you happy, and it will make them also happy. Your kids are also want to spend some time with you. Don't pest yourself with your mobile. If you are watching, if your kids are watching you pesting with mobile, they will also always try to think that mobile is a good thing, and they will also always try to pest with mobile. Then you will not have any power to pull them from mobile. That's why just try to spend a lot of time with your kids. See this, you are so lucky you have your kids. When your kids will grow, they will go for higher studies. If it is a girl, she will get married and go somewhere. If it is a boy, he will get a job in another state, or if another country. You will at the time you will not get time to spend with your kids. That's why today it is a golden time to spend with your kids. That's why never waste this time with your mobile, and teach your kids English in a beautiful way. I hope you have enjoyed my class.